Vivo X200 Ultra prototype possibly outed in live image. The X200 Ultra boasts a huge circular camera island. This comes with Zeiss branding in the top right. The X200 Ultra will feature a metal frame. Vivo and Rimowa tipped to partner on a special X200 Ultra edition. The Vivo X200 Ultra is scheduled to launch by mid to late April this year. The Vivo X200 Ultra feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 2 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Feature a 6.82-inch 2K OLED quad-curve display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 5000 nits. The Vivo X200 Ultra camera sensors were revealed in a leaked teaser on social media. Vivo X200 Ultra dedicated camera button revealed in first official image, designed primarily for quick access to photography and videography functions. The Vivo X200 Ultra will likely come with two 50-megapixel Sony LYT818 sensors and one 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP9 periscope camera, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The X200 Ultra will capture 4K 120fps video on all cameras. It packs a massive 6000 mAh battery capacity. It also supports 100W wired fast charging, 50W wireless fast charging. It is likely that the X200 Ultra could be priced at around 5,500 yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.